Elsewhere, local businesses eyeing growth in agriculture, manufacturing and infrastructure are being urged to position themselves for a share of 13 billion shillings trade finance facility targeting SMEs and corporates across Kenya and Tanzania. This follows the signing of a financing agreement between Standard Chartered Bank and British International Investment aimed at expanding access to working capital solutions for companies in the region. The facility will support businesses in priority sectors such as agriculture, food production, healthcare, manufacturing, and infrastructure, enabling them to import essential goods and grow their export capacity. Over its lifetime, the program is expected to facilitate more than 58 billion shillings in trade transaction volumes.
We are excited about this because of this kind of partnerships. And one of the things that the bank we talked about probably 3-4 years ago is that we want to be bigger in partnerships. There are things we can do, and we do very well as a bank, originating.